As noted in the two previous videos, I don't normally attach stairs through the top. Normally I go through the bottom, but I had to do these through the top. Here's my process for making plugs and then installing them so that the top screw holes just disappear. I kept some of the tread scraps so that I would have material in order to make the plugs. Now you can buy some plugs commercially, but they really wouldn't match both the bamboo and the stain, so I decided to do them myself. The countersink bit in which I used to put the screws in, at the same time I bought it, I also bought a matching plug cutter. This is not my first rodeo. And so for all of my countersink bits, I do have matching plug cutters as far as dimensions. So this was a 3/8 plug cutter with the 3/8 countersink. Because I wanted the plugs as parallel and true as possible, I chucked up the plug cutter into my drill press and went ahead and cut all of the pieces and plugs at the same time. That way I would have consistency in both size and depth. So each stair has 4 holes, and I've got 28 stairs total, so I ended up cutting enough plugs to do 32 stairs, so I have a few extra just in case, just to get the grain right and the color and all that. So there we go. Side note, I hope this is the last time in a really long time that I have to deal with bamboo. Bamboo is just the one material that I just like working with. I just do. So I have the blank plug piece here, and I've gone ahead with these two and put tape on them. So as I move over to the bandsaw here and I start cutting the plugs, they don't just pop out all kinds of ways. I actually get them on a nice sticky piece of tape so that I then can peel them off and put them in the hole in the stair. Because of the depths of the screws, I went ahead and set the fence so that I would take 3/16 of an inch of material off each of these slabs. The band really didn't like the bamboo, or the bamboo didn't like the band, and it just screamed. Now, it did make a funny noise, but nothing burned, and yeah, bamboo is not my favorite thing to cut in any saw, but especially the bandsaw. So with the plugs, I tried to line them up both color and grain with the screw holes. Now again, this is not optimal. I don't like to put screws in the tops of stairs, but there was no access from the bottom, and I really didn't want these to squeak. So these are really all the tools needed, that and kind of a damp towel. Take care of any glue residue. Go ahead and put them in, let the glue set up, and then add just a touch of stain, and they just disappear. And that's what it looks like after you set it nice and flush. And again, come back with, well here, I won't tell you about it. Let me show you real quick. As you can see, the plugs just kind of disappear into the wood. And you have to look really, really close in order to see those. So